We are in the business for a weekend getaway. Check. Wednesday. This is Wednesday. Packed up, and over here we have Luna, and I think we have a little bit of excitement. Are you excited?
Very excited. We're camping!
We're going camping for the weekend. We'll show you some updates along the way. Rise and shine.
Camping in the Royal National Park.
Are you frozen?
Yes.
It got very cold. This is our camp here. Not too bad, this view.
We are camping in the Royal National Park, and this is our little camping spot where Siska is still
It's too cold out there.
doing a snooze. We've got the tea on, look, the water's boiling.
And the view is
And this
incredible.
is what we woke up to this morning. Pretty special, I think you'll agree, no?
I'm filming.
You're filming?
Yes.
I'm camping, baby.
Talk to us about
Well,
what you're
water
working
bottles
on.
were definitely a good idea. Hot water bottles. If you're going to go camping in the middle of winter
without the tent.
without a tent, decide to just sleep under the stars, hot water bottles are a must.
What's happening here?
We are about to cross this.
Yeah, we got a little bit of an obstacle here.
All about here.
Obstacle in our way here. So I'm gonna just film Tom going across. You wanna do this thing? We're just wearing underpants because I think we're gonna get a little bit wet. Yes. Oh, look at that. Excellent. All right. My turn. You made it.
Survivor!
Yes, you are. So this is from the other side, and Tom is wearing his sexy thermals. Can you show off your sexy thermals? Give us a little sexy thermal. Very beautiful. We are here at the farm. Check this beauty. And we're starving, so we're gonna go and find some breakfast. After a while.
That's now.
It's naughty. It is naughty.
Why is it naughty? Is it naughty?
It's naughty.
No. Where are we, Siska?
We are at
I have no idea. There's a lot of motorbikes here now.
Flying High. We're at the Flying High Cafe. Check this. It's going crazy everywhere. People everywhere with the motorbikes. It's so pretty down.
The sun is on my face and it makes me feel warm.
This is our first pit stop here. We left this morning, and well, we got a little bit of an interesting way to start. We're both pretty sick.
Pretty sick. You've been sweating profusely since you arrived.
Yeah, I've been sweating all night.
I've been
and
sneezing on my helmet, which is not great because you
No.
can't see anything.
No, maybe I have to clean the box of the, what's it called, the viruses, or what is it?
The visor.
The visor, yeah. The virus of the visor.
The virus of the visor.
We're freezing, so we're stopped here at the little marketplace. Look, it's so pretty.
This is pretty cool.
It's rich, and there's like people cruising everywhere. It's pretty cool.
What is your water, baby?
But vegetable soup.
Vegetable.
Vegetable soup. We'll show you more along the way.
Ciao.
Ciao. They're looking. We found some kangaroos up there. They're both looking. And over here we have a little wombat. The wombat is acting like a kangaroo. This is our property here in Tamworth. And it's freezing. We're gonna go explore a little bit before we hit the road again. I have this feeling again, remember I told you every time I get off the bike, then the next morning I can't wait.
Yeah, I think that's
Do you feel
probably
the same way?
why I was up at 4:30.
Can't wait.
I need to get back on the bike.
Yeah, it's 4:30 in the morning. Look at these guys. What's this guy called?
It's Hugo.
Hugo. And this one?
Howie.
Howie. Hey.
We had a naming competition when we, because of our wedding stuff, we got a Facebook page when we first got them. They were about 6 months old.
Look at
the
them.
naming competition and
Oh,
yeah, Hugo and Howie.
Hugo and Howie. Hi.
God, they really are beautiful. Scott, you're on the video. How are you feeling right now?
Oh, I feel so fantastic.
It's pretty cold, eh?
I am an icicle, okay?
You're warming up now.
I think I've been this cold in a long time.
9 degrees outside. I reckon you should take off another 3 degrees of that because we're travelling 100 k's an hour.
It's a video. Good talk.
Him to think.
We're here in Tatterfield eating a very German meal. Look at that.
Breakfast.
Bratwurst.
Happy birthday to me, happy birthday to me, happy birthday dear Sharpie. Happy birthday to me from Tabulan in country New South Wales with this little Swazi. This is day 3 of our road trip and it's warmed up. It's 18 degrees, as you can see the sun is shining, kissing our skin, which is lovely. My birthday, I got a Swiss Army knife. Anything to report?
Well, Sharpie is like a pig in shit. He's so happy because the road we had today was amazing.
It was the fucking
we
business.
got a really cool birthday morning and it's warm again, which is so beautiful.
Smell you later. So, just on a little bit of Lyons Road, as you can see, we have just hit the Queensland border. But because of the corona, we can't go into Queensland and finish off the Lyons Road ride. However, it is pretty amazing here, okay? Ciao.
Hi. Tom is having the worst birthday in his lifetime.
I got a Swiss Army knife for my birthday. And I'm very happy about that.
Swiss Army knife from a Swiss girl, because all Swiss people do is give people gifts that are representing their country because we're so patriotic.
Check out the spread. Check out the view. Rubbish.
It's the bollocks, guys, it's the bollocks. It's so nice.
Life begins at 40, people, it's true. I met Cisco when I was 40 and a half.
Life began.
And it all started happening for us.
It's my birthday and I'm crying, but I want to.
Yeah, in about 2 minutes. So pretty, look at this.
Thank you all so much for coming to my birthday. I really appreciate it. We've got people that have come from far and wide, including Siska from Switzerland and myself from the northwest of England.
Which is not in Europe.
To this place on the border of Queensland, New South Wales, where we are glamping to celebrate my 41st birthday. Been an epic day. Thank you very much.
We have a visitor this morning. Hey dude. So cute. Wow.
thinking, what a place to wake up.
Tell me about it. And this is where we had our sleepy. We got a visitor here. Look at her.
Look at this little kitty on my bike. Doesn't want us to leave, do you? You're very friendly.
She's
You're
so friendly. I'll leave Tom alone for 2 minutes and what happens? We are here on the farm in Byron Bay. Somebody is in heaven.
Good morning from Byron Bay. And a very good morning it is.
Last morning here.
Our final morning. We're about to set off on the journey home.
Back to Sydney. It's
Back
been
to Sydney.
amazing.